This is TV Platinum. Here are the top 5 stories making the headline.
On number 1, President Bola Tinubu has praised the National Assembly for its swift and patriotic ratification of the state of emergency proclamation in Rivers State. The president described the move as crucial to restoring stability in the state after a prolonged political crisis that disrupted governance and endangered national economic security for over 15 months. In a statement by presidential spokesman Bayo Onanuga, Tinubu specifically acknowledged Senate President Godswill Akpabio, House Speaker Tajuddin Abbas, and other principal officers for prioritizing the welfare of the people of Rivers State over partisan interest. The president also appreciated the lawmakers through review of classified security briefings, which highlighted the urgent need for intervention to prevent further escalation of the crisis. According to Tinubu, the situation in Rivers had reached a perilous tipping point, posing threats to vital oil and gas infrastructure and undermining the economic reforms initiated by his administration since May 2023. On number 2, on Thursday, both chambers of the National Assembly passed and adopted President Tinubu's state of emergency proclamation in Rivers, including the 6-month suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara. The House of Representatives adopted the motion via a voice vote with 243 members present, and further recommended that a national committee be set up to restore peace in Rivers State. The National Assembly take over the function of the Rivers State Assembly for the next 6 months. In the Senate, the proclamation was passed after a closed-door session lasting over an hour, relying on Orders 133, 134, 135, and 136. Senate President Akpabio read Tinubu's proclamation letter, which cited Section 305, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution as the legal basis for the emergency rule. On number 3, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, has offered to pay the medical expenses of victims involved in a tragic accident at Karu Bridge along the Abuja-Kefi Expressway. The accident, which occurred on Wednesday, claimed 10 lives and left 30 others with severe burns. Larry Olayinka, Senior Special Assistant on Public Communication and Social Media, confirmed the development in a statement on Thursday. Wike expressed sympathy with the victim and directed the Mandate Secretary on Health and Environment, Dr. Adedolapo Fasiwe, to ensure prompt medical care. Wike revealed that 7 of the severely injured were referred to the National Hospital, while 6 with minor injuries have been treated and discharged. 3 others remain hospitalized with serious burns and other injuries. On number 4, Minister of Interior Dr. Olubunmi Tunji-Ojo disclosed that the Commandant General's Special Intelligence Corps dismantled over 2,000 illegal refineries and oil dumps across Nigeria in 2024. Speaking at the 5th Ministerial Press Briefing in Abuja on Thursday, Tunji-Ojo revealed that nearly 205 trucks carrying illegal petroleum products were impounded, over 700 suspects were arrested, and 345 convictions were secured. He added that 187 related cases are still pending in court. Tunji-Ojo reiterated the government's resolve to curb illegal oil operations, which continue to pose serious threats to the nation's economy and environment. And lastly, the federal government has deployed 10,000 Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps NSCDC personnel to protect oil pipelines and critical infrastructure in the Niger Delta following recent attacks on installations in Rivers State. NSCDC spokesperson Afolabi Babawale confirmed the development, warning against further vandalism and sabotage of national assets. Meanwhile, opposition lawmakers, organized labor, have condemned President Tinubu's declaration of emergency rule in Rivers State, which led to the suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara, his deputy, Professor Ngozi Odu, and members of the State Assembly. Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas, retired, has been sworn in as the sole administrator of Rivers State and is expected to govern the state for an initial period of 6 months.
Those are the top stories. Do subscribe and follow us across all our platforms to get more of this update.